are about to start the Hooker Valley track, which we read has tons of beautiful mountains. Yeah, so let's do it. It's supposed to be pretty easy, but beautiful.
There's Mount Cook.
Oh yeah, and there's Mount Cook. There's a duck. There's one over there too. And there's a Jared. You can see just the tip. It's bridge time. Only 20 people. That river. Pretty! We're coming up on our second swing bridge. Beautiful. 20 people.
Yeah. There it is again, Mount Cook. You can see it slicing through the clouds. It's so tall. And all this water is probably coming from somewhere over there on that mountain.
Glacial meltwater.
Yep. Which eventually becomes Lake Pukaki.
The third swing bridge. Yep, I definitely felt the suspense that time.
Here we are at Hooker Valley, the actual lake. That's the glacial lake there with the glacier at the other end, covered in rocks. And Mount Cook just above it, covered in clouds. You can see the tip though. We got some icebergs in the lake from the glacier. Glaciers on them. Here we are at the edge of the glacial lake here, Hooker Lake, and we found a duck. There's a duck out there. And it's very cold down here by the water. Look at that ice, and look at the duck next to the ice. Isn't that cute?
I keep getting pictures of ducks.
Mount Cook's looking pretty good too. Some people climb up to the top of that thing. I don't think I could do it. And there's where we just had our little picnic. Some of you may recognize this mountain from a scene in the movie called Lord of the Rings, The Return of the King. Lauren, what do we say?
It's lit.
The beacons are lit. They're so lit.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're lit. Here we are, we're about to take a turn onto the Alpine Tarn. Go see what.
See the Alpine Tarn.
It's gonna be real cool. Well, here we are at the Alpine Tarn. I reckon there might be some fish in that there tarn. And there's Mount Cook.